Any chance it's just a really good statue with circuit?
No, there's definitely a person encased in there. Prepare him for autopsy, please. It's so horrible.
You okay?
He was such an amazing teacher. He inspired everyone. I've never seen anything like this before.
Yeah.
Or this. Got a date? I just wasn't expecting,
Really?
Carter.
Look.
So it looks like Thurgood was dropped in a vat of cement.
Or pushed in. I'll go check with Zimmer. And change out of my clothes.
Oh my God. His heart's beating. Carter, he's still alive in there.